Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Spocket with Shopify for dropshipping in 2025, and it will be a complete step-by-step breakdown video for you guys. If you are planning to sell high quality products from US and UA suppliers and want faster shipping times compared to AliExpress, Spocket is a great for that. In this video, you will learn how to install Spocket on Shopify, how to find winning product, how to add products to your store, and how to fulfill orders with just a few clicks. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here you can see we are already landed in Shopify, and we already created an website. As you can see it, this is our front end website design. Here you can check this out, and it looks really amazing, and we have a couple of products over here. So we want to start dropshipping with this one. That for reason I will click on to the setting. Once I click over here, then here you just need to be find out apps and sales channel. So you just need to be place your or drag and drop your cursor into the down, and then you will find out apps and sales channel. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then here you will get the options, a button called Shopify App Store. In fact, you just need to click over here, and it will redirect you to the new tab where you are allowed to install any apps from that platform. So here I am going to search Spocket, and let's hit enter, and eventually here you can see we already get the best match, that is Spocket US and UA dropshipping. This is the app I am looking for, so I will click on to the install. Once I click over here, then give it permission to connect with your store, and you will be redirected to the Spocket dashboard. So Spocket offers a free plan to get started and paid plans for premium feature. So you just need to be understand it. Just click to the install. Once you click over here, then it will take a while, then it will give you the options to connect your Spocket with your Shopify store. So here you can see Spocket registration user. So here you can see that is the Spocket. So pick me for based on what's trending. Just click to the continue. Then here you just need to be select your thing, that is you as suppliers, what kind of product you are looking for. AliExpress, install airdrop. If you click to this one, and if you click to the white level, there is a couple of things they have, so I will go with this one, US and EU supplier. Just click to the continue, or you can skip it. It's totally depend on you. Then I'm going to select the global, then click to the continue. Once I click over here, then it will give me the options to select a plan. Like you can cancel any time, there's not a headache, so you can go with this one. So you just need to be paste your address, like card number, expiration date, and security code, then country, and just select this one and claim your trial to this option. This way you can easily do your thing easily. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. Then you will get something like this. I already told you Spocket.co. Let's visit to this one. Let's search it, and you will get this kind of a feature where you just need to be find it out, explore winning product. Now just click over here, and let's create an account with this Google plan. Let's select our mail address, and here eventually you will get the access of your Spocket, find awesome products, and here you will get this kind of a feature. Just click to the skip. Like without giving any payment options, you are not able to access this one. So that is the drawback I can say in this platform, but it is ongoing, so it's not a matter for many people. You can cancel any time. So once you install this plan, then your work will be to find out your winning product to sell. So here you can see this is the video. So you just need to find it out. Use the search bar. Here you will get a search bar to browse by category. Use filter like shifts from US, EU, etc. Then you can find out like premium products only, then go to the price range to filter, whatever you can do it with this one. Then click on product to view supplier info, supplier timing, and product cost and profit margin. Look for product with fast US shipping and high profit margins. And then you just need to add products to your Shopify store. You just need to be click to add to import list on any product. Like whenever you will find out your desired product, you just need to click to the add import list, and then it go to the import list tab, and you can edit product details like title, description, variant, pricing. Then you just need to click to post to store. Then you will find out that your product is live in your Shopify store. So now that the work is come, that is manage order and fulfillment. It will work on here. So when someone places an order on your Shopify store, you will redirect to Shopify dashboard orders, and then just click checkout next to the order and pay the supplier price directly through Spocket, and then the supplier ship the product with your store branding. Spocket auto updates your Shopify order status and tracking info, so it's really easy to grow your business with Spocket. Then you can track inventory and also sync updates. Like Spocket automatically sync inventory levels with Shopify, then update pricing if the supplier changes it, then send tracking codes to your customers. No manual work, less stress for you. Then if you watch the video till then, let me give you a bonus tip, that is branding and invoicing setting. That you just need to go to the setting store in Spocket, like it is a Spocket setting. Then you just need to upload your logo, then customize your invoice. Great for building a brand, that's why I am suggesting you to customize your invoice. And then enable branded invoicing on applicable products. It only works with suppliers that support branding. Okay, I hope you understand how you can do your branding. Then let's give you an pro tips for your success. Like pick a niche products with low competition. You can take help from Google Trends. It helps you to find out the niche which is in trending right now. Then you just need to find out a niche barriers, like barrier on low competition. It will help you to grow your business as fast as possible. Then offer free shipping and factor cost into pricing. Then use Spocket plus Shopify and include email marketing like Klaviyo for better conversation, and use product videos or lifestyle events when possible. These are the tips I hope you will implement on your niche finding. Like let me give you a niche that will be cycle. This is my niche. Let's explore. And here you can see this is the trend, and here you will find it is Bangladesh, so I will give it worldwide, and that will be like past 12 months. And here you can see that in past 12 months the growth is average, and it's amazing to start a business on cycle. In this way you just need to do your work, and also you can take help from SEO platform like Ahrefs to do your keywords, like free keyword generator or free keyword tool. Here you will get to see the keyword like cycle. Let's search it and let's find keywords and verify your human being. And here you can see that the water cycle keyword rate is hard, medium, and this one is really easy, cabin cycle, so it would be your niche. So this way you can find out your niche. So these tips will work on you perfectly if you implement it perfect way. So let's wrap up the video here. If you love this video, or if this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to like our YouTube video. And if you have any question, then ask me on the comment box. I will try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic.